Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rocio and this is Reese's Rizzos, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a very special unboxing. I normally do unboxings on my Instagram page, but this box deserved a little more attention, a little more love. It is a Fabfitfun box. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little behind on the Fabfitfun train, but I'm so glad that I finally hopped on, because let me tell y'all, a couple months ago I was asking for your opinion on different subscription boxes for my baby, like with different toys and items that will help her along the way developmentally. And then my husband was like, don't forget about you. Like, you still need to find some products for yourself and treat yourself. And I was like, I need to get on Fabfitfun. I hear about it all the time. And if you don't know what Fabfitfun is, it's a seasonal subscription box that you get 4 times a year, and it's filled with full-size fashion, beauty, lifestyle products that are worth more than $200 that you can get for only $49.99. And your first box, if you use my code Rocio, you'll get $10 off. So it'll just be $39.99. The thing that I've been loving the most about it is that you can basically customize each box that you get. So this box is the winter box. It is massive. Can y'all see it? Like, it takes up the entire screen. Look at that. Look at that. Bah. Now, before I was kind of like the person that was like, subscription boxes, I don't know, is it really worth it? But y'all, it's so worth it, because seriously, a lot of the products that come in your Fabfitfun boxes, like just one item alone basically pays for the entire box. Like, sometimes you'll even get an item that costs more than what you actually paid for the entire box. Now, another thing that I love about Fabfitfun is that they actually collaborate with different organizations every season to bring awareness to their charities. So this season, they're actually collaborating with Stand Up to Cancer. And it's basically just bringing awareness to the fact that cancer patients are 3 times more likely to be affected by COVID-19. Now, Fabfitfun members can actually donate to Stand Up to Cancer in their winter edit sale. So I'll leave all this information down in the description box below, information on where you can order your Fabfitfun box, information like what's in my Fabfitfun box and all that good stuff. I want to show you what I got, because when I tell y'all, not only does it feel like my birthday, my birthday was like a couple of weeks ago, but also I just get really excited because now that the holidays are coming, I really feel like I'm just going to wrap a lot of this stuff and throw it under the tree and just be like, it's a gift from me to me. Before I walk through what was in my box, don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. All you have to do is click on that big bright red subscribe button, and then after clicking on the subscribe button, click on the bell, because the bell is what's going to turn on your notifications, and then that way you'll never miss another one of my videos. All right, so like I said, everything that comes in the box is valued at more than $200, but you can get your first box for only $39.99 using my code Rocio. I was really impressed at the fact that a lot of the items that I got in my box, I was actually able to choose myself. Like, they give you different selections for each category, like lifestyle and fashion and beauty and fitness and all that fun stuff. Okay, I know this is supposed to be an unboxing, but as soon as the box got to my house, I opened it, I saw what was inside, and I freaked out a little bit, and I started using everything. This is the coziest robe that I own now. It is a summer and rose robe. Y'all know I spend the majority of my time in the house, so you know what? I'm in this maybe about 90% of the time. I call it my mommy robe. This is like the perfect everyday robe. It's comfortable, it's warm, especially now that it's getting a whole lot colder outside. It ties, it has pockets in the front. Y'all, this robe retails for $70, okay? So once again, the Fabfitfun box, you can get your first box for $39.99. So obviously 100% worth it, because the robe itself almost doubles the price of the box. Another thing that came in my box that you would think I have already, I actually didn't. It's the Impressions Vanity Company LED makeup mirror. I want to show you on the box first, because these are like legit full-size, great quality products. The LED mirror retails for $45. This is what it actually looks like, and it's touchscreen. All you have to do is press this little botoncito, and the light comes on. You can hold it down, and the light dims. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's getting dimmer. It's getting brighter, and then boop, you turn it off. I was really excited about this because, like I said, I don't have one, and I always get frustrated with myself whenever I'm putting makeup on next to my makeup counter, because the mirror that I have, the light that I have next to the mirror, it's a yellow light, and like I never really know if the color that I'm putting onto my skin is the true color of what it actually looks like on my skin. This way I'm getting a high definition, true to color reflection. It's also a dual power source. You can use it with batteries, you can use it with a USB plug. Again, a great selection to my Fabfitfun box. That's another one that I'm going to be wrapping up and putting under the tree from me to me. Next up is a cute little fashion find. This is a Lily Sadogi maroon velvet headband. This I was really excited to select because I think it's like super cute and on trend for the winter season. And I have been, hold on one second. I have been loving headbands so far because, like I mentioned before, I'm sort of going through a little postpartum hair loss moment, and headbands and scarves and any other head wrap is great at making your hair look fuller and also sort of like hiding those sparse edges around your head. I don't know, I think it's cute. But this particular headband is a little bougie. It retails for $49.99. But remember, if you're buying your first Fabfitfun box and you're using my code to get $10 off, the code is Rocio, okay? Then you're basically paying $39.99, which is less than the headband itself. So I don't know, if y'all ask me, I think it's a great deal. Another thing that came in my box, it's something that I was really excited for. I'm a really big fan of socks, okay? Cozy socks, fuzzy socks, long socks, warm socks, especially for the winter socks. These are by the brand Mucklux. These are Mucklux cabin socks. Look at these cute little palms. Mira, mira. Hello. As soon as I got these and I felt the inside, look at how freaking plush this is, okay? As soon as I got this, I immediately put them on and my feet were like in heaven, okay? I just can't wait for Lance to set up the fireplace so I can plop my feet up and sip on some coquito and watch Hallmark movies and listen to Christmas music and just be my happy-go-lucky self, okay? This next item I was really excited about because it's perfect, especially if you're a new mom and you're sort of like losing a little bit of sleep. But it's the Botanic Beauty Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. These retail for $25. Again, it's full-size products. I've been using this especially like right before filming if I feel like I need a quick pick-me-up, if I look a little tired, again, for those nights that I haven't really been getting enough sleep because of my baby. I also get excited because some of the beauty products that come in Fabfitfun boxes I haven't tried before, and so it's also like a great way for me to explore new beauty products and other brands that I had never really come across. So in addition to the products that I selected to go into my Fabfitfun box, Fabfitfun also likes to surprise us with some extra goodies that they think we might like. So this is something that came extra in my box. So this is from the brand Below the Belt, and it's a faux croc card case. I think it's super cute. A nice little ruby color, again, on trend for the holiday season. You can add your IDs, your credit cards, some pocket change, and an idea. If some of these surprise items that Fabfitfun includes in your box are items that you don't normally use or you don't think that you'll be using, then consider gifting it to someone else. So hello, with the holiday season coming up, why not wrap it up and give it to a cousin of yours or a sister of yours or a friend of yours that you think would like it? I don't mean to be selfish, but this might be another gift from me to me. So this next item is from the Daily Concepts. It is a daily facial dry brush. This is something that I thought was really intriguing. I haven't actually used this. I think because my skin is like super sensitive, I'm sticking to my skincare routine and I'm like not straying from it yet. But the idea for this is like a gentle exfoliating facial brush that you use basically your T-zone along the forehead, down the nose, your chin, and then brush along your cheeks. And it just kind of gives a nice little exfoliating action, getting rid of the dead skin cells and just kind of like leaving your face feeling glowing and refreshed. So since I'm not straying from my skincare routine, I know a cousin of mine is really big on skincare, and so I think that this would be a really nice stocking stuffer for her. And then the last thing that they included in my box is a liquid eyeliner by the brand Aesthetica. Y'all know that I struggle when it comes to applying liquid liner. I'm not quite there yet when it comes to perfecting the cat eye, but I know a friend of mine who is really great at it, so I think I'm gonna include this in a gift for her. So like I said, a lot of these items that come in your Fabfitfun box you can either keep for yourself or you can gift it to someone, whether it be for their birthday or again for the holiday season as a Christmas gift. All right, so I'll leave information down in the description box below on where you can get your Fabfitfun box. One more time, y'all, if you use my code Rocio, you'll get $10 off of your first box, making your first box $39.99. $39.99 is a steal when it comes to a box that has products, full-size products in them. The entire box is valued at more than $200, y'all. I'm very pleased with what I got this time. I'm already excited for next season. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed already, and let me know in a comment below if you've ever tried Fabfitfun, and if you have, what did you like about it? What's an item from your Fabfitfun box that you have absolutely loved? I don't know, y'all. For me, I'm torn between the robe and this bougie headband that I have on my head right now. I'm hoarding headbands at the moment. If you haven't tried Fabfitfun before, let me know in a comment below if you'd be interested in trying this seasonal subscription box. You can find me on Instagram at Reese's Rizzles, and that's basically it. I love y'all. Un besito, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.